Alright class, let's begin with some important things to know before proceeding with the lab. So the first thing to understand is what is pH. pH is the measure of how acidic or basic an aqueous solution is, and this ranges on a scale from 1 to 14. 7 is neutral. Next, we'll take a look at buffers. What is a pH buffer? This is an aqueous solution containing a mixture of a weak acid and its conjugate base, or vice versa, and is used to keep the pH level constant in a reaction. If you take a look here at this chart, you will see to your left the hydronium concentration, which increases as the substance becomes more acidic, and to your right you will see the hydroxide ion concentration, which increases as you become more basic. Here you can see the level. In order to measure the pH value of a certain solution, you will use a pH meter. Here are some rules for this instrument. Never leave the electrode out of the solution. You will need 2 beakers with water to wash and to store the pH electrode. The pH meter reading may vary, so pick a number it pauses on for the longest and then move on to calculate and measure the pH of your next solution. When taking the pH measurement, the tip of the electrode must be submerged into the solution fully. So the basic way to use a pH meter, you turn it on using a power button. You will take the stylus and press the red box, and on the drop down menu you will see a segment that says press calibrate now. You will press this button, then swirl the electrode in distilled water. Press the button that says calibrate now. You will then dip the electrode into the pH 4 buffer and type in 4.00, then the keep button when the voltage reading is stable on the top right of the screen. You will then clean the electrode in distilled water and place it in the storage water. You will repeat this with any other solutions that you have until you have finished your experiment. Now the great thing about pH meters is that they can detect the differences between strong and weak acids.